I'm a 28-year-old multimillionaire. People ask me all the time, Antonio, how did you make your wealth? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly my process on how I sit on the charts, how I examine them, how I watch them, and how I interact with my private community so they can learn alongside with me and watch me take these trades live. Not a lot of gurus, furus, educators out there are willing to do that. You know why? Because you will expose them. You will expose that they suck at trading. But the reality is that I do this every single day. For over 4 years, my trades have been publicly out there for the world to follow me, copy me. So I'll show you guys exactly the steps I take. Usually I'm here on the charts around 9 a.m. to get started. Look at the market, top-down analysis, daily, 4 hours, 50 minutes, 1 hour, and then the 5 minutes. So I'm ready. So at 9:30 sharp, I'm there with the team and we're tackling the markets. You'll see it live, catch a trade, if we catch a winner, we catch a loser. It should be pretty exciting. But guys, remember, when I'm sitting down here, the pre-market plan that I'm making right now is just as important as actually trade itself. As a day trader, you need to go into markets with understand what price might go today, where it might not go, and where you're gonna look for your sniper entries and exits. So this is gonna be one of the most important parts. Now we'll jump into the actual live trading. You'll see what people have access to that trade live with me. So what we're gonna do right now is analyze the pre-market plan. We have right now my other head trader give the 9 to 9:30 breakdown, then 9:30 I get on and we'll see what the chart's gonna be. So long as we stay above this, I'm just gonna keep looking for some long ideas. I don't really see anything I like, but maybe if we do finally lose 570, we can come and take out some of this lows right here at 350. If we do break above this like 700 area, it could be a small scalp, but it leads to like 770. So about 70 points there. And then when we get into this gap, I'm expecting to be some kind of rejection. If we do get into it, kind of like we saw with, so this yesterday? No, this was overnight. And also yesterday, right, 4 p.m. This probably been, was this yesterday or it's Tuesday? No, 2 days ago. That was that gap from the market crash with DeepSeek AI. I think we have any type of news. FOMC yesterday was a little bit boring. There wasn't really anything crazy that happened. I did like this long, like on this inversion here. So our totally target. This 670. And now price been holdings for value gap. So if there's a short idea, it'll be something like this maybe. Yesterday's FOMC, it was just fucking like wicks up, wicks down. Holy. So if this 5 minute gets disrespected finally, it's bouncing on it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's been holding all morning, but the more time it's tested, the more likely it's to flush. The thing is, why I wouldn't want to really short off of this. It's because like we got the pre-stay price here, which is only like 30 points down below it, so could bounce off of that. And then why I wouldn't long off of it, it's because it's been tested so many times. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tests. So even though it might bounce on it again, it's once something gets tested like more than 3 times, I usually just don't even like it. The market's strong today, you could fill that gap. 1 yes at least from the market crash. Yeah, we got this S&P for 925 low. Yeah, then Q took it out, and yes, did not. Well, let's see. I mean, with Q, you could fit the next couple minutes are strong. You could take it out. The high, so there's always a bullish one. It's on one on the 1 minute, and then on the 5 minute. Yeah, I mean, New York opened up. Look at this shit. It's fucking just 5 minute candles, green, red, green, red. I think it's because Trump passed the executive order to shit on New York open. And usually midday has been pretty good. Just like that, usually that right off the open, just slow. Just being patient, I think, more than anything. Like, it's only been 50 minutes. How many trades do we need? Like, look at yesterday, I was just not patient with my trades. If you're just patient and you just wait, you know? Maybe you watch a little video on the side, you know what I'm saying? It's if you can break the high. I guess they're busy. Honestly, I was focused on Q, so by the time I even was like looking at this 5 minute here. Only yes, it was a little too late. But this, it could have been a long. This would have been fine. But the best entering was off that bounce of that previous day price. I was like looking at it actually, dude. I was like looking and I was just like on my phone. This here. That probably been the best long to take. There definitely hasn't been any short setups, I'll tell you that much. The dude in free chat just yapping to himself. I'm like, what the fuck's happening? Quick take the scalp here that I mentioned. I think Storm is already so big, we don't think we want to chase that. This candle. But I could have been about 40 points right there off that level. There's the gap, guys. That's the gap from the market crash. Tested it, but now we're in it. Could feel it. Well, the cap is really big, so what are you talking about? I'm talking about yes. Talking about yes, Alex. This breakout trade should be pretty free. It's a pretty big gap. I mean, yes, already in it. Let's see how Q reacts. It's hard to say, but there's a good chance to fill it. But it's like 240 points. We'll have to see. Survive the market crash, guys. Survive the market crash. Second time he tested it. If it's a big rejection, then we won't test it today. We shall see. Pretty decent rejection right now for that. Well, you can't just, if it is an empty short, you have to wait for an entry. You can't just take a short. Right now, the 5 minutes are holding this 700 area, so I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that yet.
I had a reversal yesterday, kind of. Well, no, yesterday was just chopping. See, I drew. If usually if this is really the top, it'll retrace to the GP on the first leg and then reject, which it looked strong still, but then that count just fucking came down. It was weird. It was weird. I mean, this is holding 700, so we'll see. Maybe pending home sales gives a direction, but I wouldn't short. The 50-minute looks nasty now. If it closes like this, we got 2 more minutes, unless the news actually doesn't. I don't know if the news will do anything. It's just pending home sales. But that's gotta hold up this 5-minute right to that GP. Nice. To wait 2 minutes. I'll get in before. If it sells off, I'll be a little salty, but whatever. The 50-minute looks nasty now. If it closes like this. We got 2 more minutes, unless the news actually doesn't. I don't know if the news will do anything. It's just pending home sales. But that's gotta hold up this 5-minute right to that GP. Nice. To wait 2 minutes. I'll get in before. If it sells off, I'll be a little salty, but whatever. See if this 5-minute holds up or not. Both AQ and ESR on that. 4-hour candle is also gonna close. Do you also get a bearish MT of this? Like, look, yes, didn't take out the highs. What a fucking trade, boys. Let's go, come on. You guys were hating? Yes, I goon. And what? Deal with it. Let's fucking go. Shorter than Q. What fucking entry. That was sick. We planned that shit. What I tell you guys? We had it all planned. Wow, what a fucking trade. You guys can take that little scalp, the long scalp you guys were all hyped about. This is a real fucking trade. Patient, waited. We bided our time, no drawdown, perfect entry, perfect execution. Like, this is a real trade. Honestly, Alex, if you get your girlfriend to fucking teach you how to trade, she can make way more money than everybody combined. Look how much money Tori makes, and she's busted, bro. I mean, yeah, that would work. Adding here would work, but you need to wait for it. 5-minute AMD, we had bearish to SMT with yes, with those key highs that like in this one that I have on the 4-hour 715. 4-hour took it, closed under it. You see how the 5-minute just closed back under it. Then we go jump to the 4 hours, so it shows the 10 a.m. macro. Look at that. This is your 4-hour range. We're taking out the low already, the high. Then this candle will deliver to the downside, which should be here, then here. Honestly, I have like the worst at it, guys. I've been sick, so hope that was good enough. Like, if you just like watch the 4 hours, the ranges of the 4 hours and like where they close. Like, if this 4-hour had closed above this 720, I probably looked for some kind of entry too long to do this, and then come to here, then fill this. But the 4-hour closed under it, so I'm like, okay, if we closed under it, we're already taking out this low. That means we're going to the next low, which would be the previous price, and then this high. So it's a similar setup from a video that I took. Like, it's actually like a pretty identical setup to like. Look at yesterday's trade, guys. All the stops 20-25, and it's like already 150 point.
Alright guys, well that was it for today. We had a banging day after all. Market went down, we caught a beautiful trade on the way down. So couldn't be any happier, guys. It's roughly around 10:30 right now, so that's usually how it goes. I get on the charts at 9:30, I'm trading with the team. 10:30, 11 the latest, I'm done. 1 hour a day. But at 1 hour a day, you can say, damn, this guy just works 1 hour a day. It took me years to get here, okay? It took me years of learning and education. If you don't learn with me, guys, we have an application process to join our team. The link will be down below. Click it, book a call with my team and see if you fit for the type of video that I'm looking for to help. I have such high success rate because I limit the amount of people that I can actually mentor or teach, right? Because it's not easy, it's not meant for everybody. But if you like more videos like this, if you want to learn more about stock market, crypto market, all the fun in between, my fun reactions, which you guys love, make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. As always, peace out.